We are standing at the precipice of a monumental shift, a transformation so profound it will redefine the very fabric of our economic landscape. We are witnessing the greatest wealth transfer in human history. It's a silent revolution, reshaping fortunes and creating new opportunities on an unprecedented scale. This isn't your grandfather's wealth transfer, not through inheritance or old money. It's not about inheriting a family fortune or climbing the corporate ladder through decades of service. This is a new game driven by a fundamental rewiring of our economy by artificial intelligence. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's an economic force, reshaping industries and redefining the rules of the game. The rules of making money, the very foundations of our financial systems, are being challenged and rewritten. Investing, once the domain of seasoned professionals and Wall Street gurus, and managing money, a task often fraught with complexity and uncertainty, are being rewritten in real time by algorithms and AI-powered platforms. Fortunes will be made, and are already being made, by those who adapt to this new reality, those who embrace the power of AI and leverage it to their advantage. But those who cling to outdated systems, those who resist the change, will be left behind, struggling to navigate a world that has moved on without them. This isn't some far-off vision of the future, not science fiction. It's happening right now, in the present moment, and the pace of this transformation is only accelerating, growing exponentially with each passing day. The window to position yourself to seize the opportunities presented by this AI revolution is closing fast. This guide will serve as your compass, showing you how AI is fundamentally transforming the world of finance, and more importantly, how you can benefit from this transformation, regardless of your current financial situation or your technological background. You don't need to be a tech expert with years of coding experience, or a Wall Street insider with connections in high places. The tools and resources you need to participate in this new economy are more accessible and user-friendly than ever before. AI is rapidly optimizing industries across the board, automating complex tasks, streamlining processes, and creating trillions of dollars in new value and economic opportunities. The key question that you need to be asking yourself right now is, how can you claim your share of this AI-driven wealth creation? The answer lies in embracing new investments, exploring innovative financial strategies, smarter personal finance management tools powered by AI, and exploring the vast landscape of emerging career paths that are being created by this technological revolution. The financial world is rapidly splitting into two distinct tiers: those who actively leverage the power of AI to enhance their financial lives, and those who are unfortunately left behind, struggling to keep up in a world that has been fundamentally transformed. History has shown us time and again that every major technological shift creates new winners and losers, and the rise of AI is no different. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear and actionable roadmap to navigate this new landscape and secure your financial future in the age of AI. To truly understand the profound impact of AI on our world, we need to look to history. The Industrial Revolution, with its steam engines and power looms, transformed society in fundamental ways, and AI is poised to do the same, but at an exponentially faster pace. The speed of this technological shift is unprecedented. Where machines once automated physical labor, augmenting human strength and endurance, AI is now automating cognitive work, tasks that previously required human intellect, reasoning, and decision-making. This is not just another technological advancement. This is the dawn of the fourth industrial revolution, a revolution driven by intelligent machines that are capable of learning and continuously improving from vast amounts of data. AI is now being used to diagnose diseases with increasing accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities, powering self-driving cars that promise to revolutionize transportation, and even creating art, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. It's touching and transforming virtually every industry, from finance to agriculture. Like electricity or the internet before it, AI is rapidly becoming an indispensable part of our infrastructure. AI is a general-purpose technology, a foundational layer that is reshaping everything from how we work to how we live. Companies that master AI and integrate it effectively into their operations are outpacing competitors, gaining a significant edge in the marketplace. They're leveraging AI to analyze market trends, predict consumer behavior with greater accuracy, and automate costly and time-consuming tasks. This creates a winner-take-all dynamic, where the early adopters and effective implementers of AI reap the greatest rewards. Just think of how tech giants like Google and Amazon have leveraged data and algorithms to dominate their respective fields, setting a precedent for others to follow. Now that dynamic, once confined to the tech sector, is rapidly spreading across the entire global economy, impacting every industry and sector. For individuals, this AI revolution presents both significant risk and unprecedented opportunity, a chance to redefine careers and acquire new skills. Repetitive, manual and rules-based jobs are increasingly vulnerable to automation, leading to potential job displacement, but simultaneously, entirely new roles and industries are emerging, demanding a workforce equipped with different skills. The value of traditional human skills is shifting, placing a greater emphasis on uniquely human capabilities. Creativity, critical thinking, adaptability, and the ability to effectively work alongside AI are becoming the new currency in the modern workforce. The challenge for individuals is to adapt proactively, not just to avoid potential job loss, but to embrace the change and thrive in this new landscape. Those who learn to effectively collaborate with AI, leveraging its strengths to augment their own, will be highly sought after and in high demand. In this era of rapid technological advancement, the future belongs to the adaptable, the lifelong learners, and those who embrace the power of AI. Investing used to be the playground of the wealthy, but AI is changing that. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use algorithms to build and manage portfolios for anyone, at a fraction of the cost. AI is also transforming market analysis. Algorithms now sift through massive data to spot trends faster than any human. These tools are trickling down to everyday investors, offering AI-powered insights and stock screening. The world's top companies, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, are now fundamentally AI-driven, and investing in them is a bet on AI's future. AI-focused ETFs like BOTS or AIQ let you invest in a basket of AI companies, spreading your risk. You don't need to be an expert. These tools make it easier than ever to participate in the AI revolution. The stock market is more accessible and the opportunities are bigger than ever. AI isn't just for investing, it's revolutionizing personal finance. New AI-powered apps track your spending, spot waste, and suggest savings automatically. These tools go beyond budgeting, offering predictive analysis and personalized advice. Some even negotiate bills or predict cash flow, acting as your financial advocate. AI research platforms can scan thousands of news articles and reports in seconds, giving you clear, actionable insights. By embracing these tools, you make smarter, faster financial decisions. AI is your financial co-pilot, helping you reach your goals. AI is fueling a new wave of entrepreneurship, making it easier than ever to start and scale a business solo. With AI tools, one person can handle tasks that once required a team: content creation, marketing, customer service, and more. Freelancers and creators use AI to write scripts, edit media, generate graphics, and automate admin work. Automation frees up time for what matters, serving clients and growing your business. Even niche experts, fitness coaches, designers, consultants, can scale their services with AI. The key: use AI as an assistant to amplify your skills and unlock new business models. The solopreneur era is here, powered by AI. The rise of AI is causing understandable anxieties about job security. Job loss from AI is real, particularly in roles that involve routine, repetitive tasks. These roles are increasingly being automated, leading to displacement for many workers who perform these functions. But if we look back at history, we see that technological revolutions, while initially disruptive, ultimately create more jobs than they destroy. These new jobs simply take on new forms, often in sectors and roles we can't even fully imagine yet. AI is already generating entirely new roles like prompt engineer, a job focused on crafting effective prompts to get the most out of AI models. We also need AI ethics officers, professionals dedicated to ensuring AI systems are developed and used responsibly and ethically. And data labelers, people who meticulously annotate and label data to train machine learning models. These are just a few examples of jobs that didn't even exist a decade ago, highlighting how quickly the job market is evolving. Interestingly, many of these emerging roles value communication and critical thinking skills, often placing a greater emphasis on these soft skills over deep technical expertise. Therefore, the best way to future-proof your career in this rapidly changing landscape is to embrace AI and learn to work with it, rather than resisting it or trying to compete against it. For example, a designer who learns to effectively use AI tools to enhance their creative process, or a marketing professional who leverages AI to create more personalized and effective advertising campaigns, ultimately becomes more valuable to their organization. The future belongs to those who can seamlessly combine human creativity, ingenuity, and critical thinking with the immense power of AI. In this era of rapid technological advancement, lifelong learning is absolutely essential, because the skills that are in high demand today may very well change tomorrow. Fortunately, resources to learn about AI and its applications are readily available everywhere, and many of these resources are often free or available at a very low cost. And the best part is, you don't necessarily need to be a coder. Simply understanding how to apply AI tools and techniques within your specific field will give you a significant competitive edge. So embrace AI not as a threat, but as a valuable collaborator, and you'll discover new, resilient, and often higher-paying opportunities that you never thought possible. The shift is already happening all around us, so adapt, embrace the change, and thrive in this new era. If AI is the engine, data is the fuel, and companies are racing to own it. The most valuable businesses today are those with the richest, most unique datasets, think Amazon, Google, Meta. Even traditional companies like John Deere are becoming data-driven, using sensors to offer premium services. The infrastructure behind data cloud computing, data centers, database software is another huge investment opportunity. As long as data grows, these companies benefit. Data careers are booming. Data scientists, analysts, and roles in privacy and visualization are in high demand. You don't need to be a statistician. Communication and ethical skills matter too. Understanding data's value is key to investing and career growth in the AI age. AI can seem intimidating, but you don't need to be a techie or have lots of money to start. The most important step is simply to begin. Experiment with a free AI tool like ChatGPT or an AI-powered finance app. Use these tools to get comfortable and see what's possible. Once you're familiar, consider a small investment in an AI-focused ETF. No need to pick individual stocks. The goal isn't instant wealth, but building knowledge and confidence. Don't let the scale of the AI revolution paralyze you. Inaction is the biggest risk. The new financial era will be defined by AI. Take small, consistent steps. Try a tool, invest a little, read, or take a course. You're planting seeds for bigger opportunities ahead. The time to start is now. Your future self will thank you.